Namaste student. Today I am going to teach you uh, introduction to computer. So this introduction to computer is the first unit of your paper number CH01. So it is a most commonly part of computer fundamental. Now all of you know the key term definition of computer. So what do you mean by computer? Computer means what? What is the function of computer? What is the definition of computer? So what do you mean by computer? Computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. What may be the main function of computer? It takes data as input, store data instruction in its memory, process the data, generate the output. So these 4 points are commonly the key points for any digital computer. Key points for any digital computer. In short, computer is an electronic device. It takes data as an input, stored it into memory, process it, and finally it gives a correct output. When you provide data through keyboard, it may be correct. Meaning is that if you provide the data to computer, that data may be correct, and computer take the instructions correct, computer takes the commands correct. User can provide a computer data to the system, to the computer processor, that must be correct. So takes data as an input. Data means what? Data means it is nothing but the correct raw material that is used to input to your system, to your computer system. Meaning is that when you process the information, that must be correct in the form of data. And next, where data is stored in the computer, so there is a one part. That part is commonly called a memory, and that memory is nothing but the storage. That memory is nothing but the storage area of computer. Storage area of computer. So your data is commonly stored in computer memory. Your data is commonly stored in computer memory. So it is nothing but a main memory of the computer system. Now, how data is processed? The processing purpose, there is a need of one device. That device is commonly called the hardware device. So that is nothing but the process thing, and that process thing is done with the help of microprocessor. That we simply called CPU, Central Processing Unit. The long form for CPU is Central Processing Unit, and that Central Processing Unit is also called the microprocessor. So microprocessor is commonly used for any digital computer for process the information, and that information is given by a user, and that is stored into the computer memory. Then further this information processed with the help of central processing unit, and that central processing unit is commonly called the brain of computer, and it is also called the heart of computer. Why it is called heart of the computer? Because it is a main part of the computer. It processes the information given by a user, given by any person to the computer system. Now after processing completion, you get the correct output. In this way, I say here, a computer is nothing but input, process, output. Input, process, output is a main basic thing of a computer system. Now, what are the different examples of input devices? That we simply called the peripheral devices used in computer system, any computer system, that is a laptop also, that is a tablet also, that is PC also. PC means personal computer. So input device means what? A device through which data is entered to the computer. A device through which data is entered to the computer, that we simply call a input device. Now, keyboard, mouse are the most familiar input devices. Remote control, you have a television in your home, you use the remote for controlling your television, so that is also a updated input device. Touch screen, all of you have an Android mobile, so there is a one pad that we simply call the touch pad, so that touch pad is an example of input device. Barcode reader, commonly used in college library, school library, for reading a book number, that we simply call the barcode. Digital camera, when you capture any teaching video, when you capture any type of things that you want, so there is a need of digital camera. Now web camera, if you want to capture your face, if you want to capture your any type of things, then there is a need of web camera. Microphone, if you want to connect this microphone your computer, that also used for your any type of purpose, meaning is that are the different input devices that run, that used with your computer system. Now finally, what is the function of central processing unit? Central processing unit is a unit, so that is the main unit of computer. It has three parts. First is nothing but the MU, then we CU, and next one is the ALU. MU means what? Memory unit. Memory unit stored information. CU means what? Control unit. It controls the all part of the computer system. And finally, ALU means what? ALU means arithmetic and logical unit. It is commonly used for calculation purpose, mathematical calculation purpose. And then you get finally a output through a printer or through a screen or through a LCD, liquid crystal display. So this is nothing but the one basic thing of a first chapter, introduction to computer system. Now hardware means what? Hardware is nothing but the physical part you can see and touch it. All devices, input devices as well as output devices, are called the hardware devices. You can simply touch it and use it, that we simply call the hardware. And what do you mean by software? It is nothing but the one collection of program that is used to help or manage your computer system. So that example of software is nothing but the application software and system software. System software is a software that manages the all resources connected to your computer system. For example, operating system from basic DOS to Windows is nothing but the example of system software. MS Office, that we simply call the Microsoft Office, and another programming language like suppose C, C++, Java, Python are commonly called the softwares, that are the application softwares. So student, today we here stop. Tomorrow we will see another part of the introduction to computer in next period. Thank you.